Okay, I'm back with another video. I've been meaning to do this product review and unboxing for the longest. As you can see on the video here, I have an Arua is how you pronounce it, I believe. Arua LED strip lights for TVs up to 65-inch. Now, when I originally bought this light kit, you can get this at your local Walmart for about $5, and I'm going to put the link description on where you can purchase it from. If you don't want to go to the store, you can order it online and have it shipped to your house or your local Walmart location. And the links also help me and help this channel grow. I had originally bought this for a project that I was going to work on, which is a kind of like a little bit of a, I won't say Hackintosh, but I was going to put it in a old PowerMac G5 case that's already configured for PC use, and just put some lights in there, use it to change the mood settings. But after I did some research on the pricing of parts and materials, I'm gonna have to just go with buying a Mac Pro for a lot less, which I may review or do a video later on that one. But I just gotta get the money together and save up to buy one. But for now, we're going to unbox this Arua Lights kit or light set for your TV. But you can use it for just about any use that you want. Since I might scrap the PC build case project, I might use it in something else. Maybe to build some party speakers, who knows. Or just use it for my own personal use. So hold on while I unbox the contents inside of this kit here. So after you unbox this video, you'll probably get something inside of it that looks like this. It's some kind of like static shield bag, I guess, to protect the electronics that's inside. So it's going to be kind of hard for me to open this bag here with one hand and while holding this video camera. Well, actually cell phone. I don't think I even opened it. Did I open it? Maybe not. Maybe I did. I'm trying to get this thing open. Oh, here it is. Just bear with me for a minute here, folks, while I try to undo this this seal here. Oh, there you go. This is what it looks like inside the bag here. Just empty the contents on this table here. I know the video quality and the presentation is a little bit cheesy, but hey, it is what it is. It's all about the message, not necessarily the content, or the content too. So I guess this is your USB cable that comes with it. So you will plug this into your TV to get your power source. And I guess this connector goes to this string of lights here. Now, interesting enough, when you open this bag here, if I can get the rest of the content out of here. Now you're probably wondering, where is the light? Well, as you can see here, in this looks like an old film ream here, that you'll put some old film, but when I got this was kind of cracked. But anyway, here's your remote, and here's your lights here. I'm not going to unstring the whole entire spool here that you see. I might just plug it in. So I'm going to pause this video again, and I'm going to come back with the lights plugged into a power source. Like I said, you'll get your power source from your television, but you can use any cell phone charger that's at least 5 volts. Most cell phone chargers do come with 5 volts. You can also use this inside of your, like I said, PC case that has a built-in USB plug, or you can get one of those headers that plugs in your USB and then it plugs directly into your motherboard, and you get your 5 volts that way. As long as you have 5 volts, you should be good to power this string of lights, and you can use it to have some fun with it. So let me pause this video, come back with the unit plugged in, and hopefully get some lights going. Okay, I finally found a power source, which is a standard 2-prong plug. So I'm going to use my cell phone, an old cell phone charger, to demonstrate the functionality of this unit. So it's kind of like an unboxing and a demonstration and product review. So I'm going to try this with one hand as I'm plugging in, but maybe I should just pause the video and come back right back. Hold on. And look at that. We have light. Yes, we have light here, ladies and gentlemen. So all I did was I took a regular cell phone charger, which, like I said, is 5 volts, plugged it into a AC power. I have a little extension cable here, as you can see, and plugged it accordingly. So now I have lights. Now, if you want to change the mood setting, you're going to have to use the remote. So first remove this plastic tab, which should now expose you to the battery, so you can now change the mode setting. You could either switch it off, which I just turned off the power, turn it back on, and I could either change the intensity of the light. Now notice I don't have it all the way spooled out because I just want to do a little bit of a product demonstration, which looks really cool. I'm very impressed by this product. I know some people say, oh, it's not that good, you know, from the product reviews that they do online for me reading it. So I'm just changing the intensity of the blinking LEDs. And, you know, I'm just pressing different functionalities here. Yeah, I really like this light set. It's really cool. See, I just change it to white. A little bit of a strobe. Just the flashing. Fade. Smooth. Not sure what these other buttons do, but you get the picture here. So at least we know it does work. Yeah, I'm just playing around with the different, I guess this is the different intensity of light. Flash just means it flashes all colors. And strobe light. And then smooth. Wow, look at that. Nice and bright. Yeah, this would really look cool inside of a Power Mac G5 case. Yeah, I'm having some fun here. But you get the picture, folks. Anyway, this is a little bit of a product review and also a demonstration of how these lights work. Please rate, subscribe, and comment on the video that you see below. And also click on the affiliates link that you will see in the description box, which will help support this channel and help support me in doing more product reviews on this channel. So, hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful night. Good night.